Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do the comprehension of the chapter The Champions of Class 10 KPK Board. Question number 1. What is the significance of the title The Champions? Answer. The significance of the title The Champions is that the story is about friendship. Champions are not those who win medals and cups, but those who win hearts. The whole story is focused on two friends living in Karachi. Both are good boxers and both want to become lightweight champions of the world. They work very hard to achieve their dream. Once they reach the final of boxing championship, in which the winner has to represent the country in the World Boxing Championship. Both fight very well, but when they realize that they are fighting against each other, they leave the ring because for them they are champions for each other. Question number 2. What was the dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher? Answer. The dream of Ahmad Ali and Gulsher was to become lightweight champions of the world. They both were classmates studying in grade 10 in a government school. They were close friends and felt themselves to be brothers. To achieve this cherished dream, they strive hard day and night. Gulsher was a tall boy. He has fair complexion. His family was shifted from KPK to Karachi. Ahmad Ali belonged to a Shidi tribe. He was black and short. Both were good boxers as well as good friends. Question number 3. Why was the fight so important for both Ali and Gulsher? Answer. The fight was so important for both Ali and Gulsher because the winner of the final had to represent the country in lightweight boxing championship. Both were good boxers and both had worked hard to achieve this dream. But the problem was that only one could win this championship. They fought in the final but left the ring without waiting for the announcement because they did not want to participate in the World Championship at the cost of their friendship. Question number 4. How did the two friends fight? Describe in your own words. Answer. Both of the friends, Ahmed and Gulsher, fought in a very professional way, as this fight was important for both of them to become world's lightweight champions. Although they were friends and considered themselves to be brothers, still they displayed their best skills of boxing. They fought aggressively. Though their boxing styles were different, yet they delivered strong and hard punches on each other. At the end, they left the ring without waiting for the announcement of the winner because for them friendship was more important than winning the championship. Question number 5. Compare and contrast the characters of Ali and Gulsher. Answer. Ahmed Ali and Gulsher were best friends. They were different from each other and also had many similarities between them. Both lived in Karachi. Both wanted to be lightweight champions. Both were studying in grade 10. Both wanted to achieve their dream. Ahmad Ali was black and short. He belonged to Shidi tribe, while Gulsher was a tall boy. His color was fair. His family belonged to KPK. Both were good boxers and worked hard. Their boxing style was different from each other. Both fought bravely and with courage. Both preferred their friendship above anything else. Question number 6. Is there any conflict in the story? If yes, describe it in detail. Answer. Yes, there is a conflict in the story. Conflict is a tension in a situation between characters or the actual opposition of characters. The conflict is that both Gulsher and Ahmed Ali wants to win the world lightweight championship. Both are good boxers and both had worked hard. Both want to be champions, but to achieve their dream, they have to fight each other. As they are best friends, it is difficult for them to fight against each other. They fight very professionally. In the final round, they leave the ring without waiting for the announcement of the winner, because for them, friendship is more important than the championship. Question number 7. What was the effect of the fight on the relationship of the two friends? Answer. The fight did not have any effect on the relationship of the two friends because they consider each other as brothers. Both were fast friends. Both cherished the same dream of becoming a lightweight boxing champion of the world. Once it happened, so they had to fight each other in the final. They fought like savages in the ring, yet this fight did not affect the relationship. In the final, they fought very professionally, but they left the ring in the end because friendship was everything for them. Question number 8. Keeping in view the relationship of two friends, is it easier or harder for them to fight each other? Support your answer by giving references from the text. Answer. Keeping in view the relationship of the two friends, it is harder for them to fight because both were best friends and both had the same dream to be the world lightweight boxing champion. It was hard because they were so together in friendship that they felt themselves to be brothers. They were very good and committed boxers. They worked hard to achieve this dream, but only one can be the champion. Though they fight very well, but they do not want to win the championship at the cost of each other. Therefore, in the final round, they leave the ring without caring for the final decision. Question number 9. Are you satisfied with the ending? Support your response with cogent arguments. Answer. Yes, I am satisfied with the ending because both Ahmed Ali and Gulsher value their friendship and sacrifice the dream of winning the title of lightweight boxing championship. They consider their friendship more than anything else, though they fought very professionally. But in the end, they leave the ring arm in arm, without waiting for the winner to be announced because they consider each other as champions. They proved that friendship is more valuable than winning a fight.